Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a super fancy knife and fork grilled cheese sandwich called Croque Mon Sieur. We start by making a sauce. We melt butter in a skillet, and then we add flour and stir to form a roux. Then we add half and half and stir and allow that to simmer until it turns into a nice, thick white sauce, just like this. We make this taste good by adding salt and pepper, hot sauce, Parmesan cheese, and shredded Swiss cheese. Give this a stir. This is called Mornay Sauce. It tastes great. We're going to let this sit while we get the bread ready. Take 4 slices of bread, cut off the crusts, and toast them in a 400-degree oven. Now we're going to spread each slice of bread with a thin layer of Dijon mustard. Place 2 slices of the bread in a baking dish. Top with slices of ham. Then we're going to top this with shredded Swiss cheese, and then the second slice of bread. And now for the fun part. We're going to pour the Mornay sauce right over the sandwiches. And we're going to top that with more shredded Swiss cheese. This looks awesome. We're going to bake those babies in a 400-degree oven for 5 minutes. Then we switch to the broiler for another 2 minutes. Now that's going to be an awesome knife and fork grilled cheese sandwich. Oh yeah, doesn't that look great? One for you and one for me. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime, and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select a recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.